Good morning, students. In the previous class, we are already learned about parts of a computer, monitor, mouse, and keyboard. Now, today we are talking about CPU. Kids, have you seen a black box attached to your computer? That black box is known as CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. CPU is the most important part of a computer. It has an on off button, also called power button. All the parts of a computer are connected to the CPU. CPU is also known as brain of a computer. Just as our brain controls all the different parts of the body and makes them work together, the CPU controls all other parts of the body and makes them work together. It also controls all the other parts like the monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Now, talking about joy time. Join the dots to form the CPU and write its full form. Kids, you all join this like this, and its full form is Central Processing Unit. Now, talking about standard computer system. All the parts that we have learned about make up the standard computer system. They are all connected with wires. In the absence of even one part, the computer cannot work properly. Okay, let's talk about printer. Children, do you know that you can take a copy or a print of your work using a printer? Yes, we have learned about the makeup. Yes, we can draw pictures with the help of computer, but we need printer to take a print of a picture. So, a printer is a device that helps you to print on a paper what you see on computer. Now, talking about speakers. We know we can listen to songs on a computer. Which part do you use to hear the song on computer? We need speakers to listen to song. So speakers are used for listening music on the computer. Now next topic, scanner. If we want to copy the pictures on to the computer, which part do we use? We need a scanner. Yes, scanner helps us to scan the picture. Now, talking about the exercises. First, take the correct option. The brain of a computer is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Keyboard is used for typing. Mouse is used for pointing. All the parts of the computer must be connected to the CPU. Now fill in the blanks. CPU is called the brain of the computer. Dash shows us what we do on the computer. Monitor shows us what we do on the computer. A mouse is always kept on the right side of the computer. Dash is used for typing letters and numbers. Keyboards is used for typing letters and numbers. Dash is used to draw and paint on a computer. Mouse is used to draw and paint on a computer. Next, write T for true and F for false statement. We can work on the computer without the monitor. False. Monitor is the brain of the computer. False. We can listen to music on a scanner. False. Monitor is used to see what we do on the computer. True. Mouse is used for pointing objects. True. Now, circle the correct word for the picture given below. This picture belongs to CPU. This belongs to keyboard. This belongs to monitor. This belongs to mouse. Now, answer the following questions. How many main parts does a computer has? A computer has 4 parts: monitor, mouse, keyboard and CPU. What is the mouse used for in a computer? Mouse points to object on the computer. Which part of the computer helps you to listen songs? Speakers help us to listen songs. What is the use of a keyboard? A keyboard is used to type in numbers and letters to the computer. What is CPU? CPU is called the brain of a computer. It controls all the other parts like mouse, monitor and keyboard. Now, next activity. Complete the name of the computer parts shown below. First picture is monitor, M-O-N-I-T-E-R. Second picture is mouse, M-O-U-S-E. Third picture is keyboard, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Fourth picture is CPU. Now, lab activity. It has power button, CPU. It is used to point things. Mouse. It has many keys. Keyboard. It is also called screen. Monitor. These are used to listen to songs. Speakers. Okay, students, this is all about parts of a computer. We will meet you in next class. Thank you. Bye, children.